Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Prius front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety. Begin by locating and carefully removing the plastic clips that secure the bumper to the fender liners on both sides. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. Next, move to the undercarriage and remove the bolts and clips holding the splash shield in place. These fasteners are typically easy to spot. Then, focus on the grille area. You'll find additional fasteners, usually clips, along the top edge of the bumper. If your Prius has fog lights, remember to carefully disconnect their wiring harnesses before proceeding further. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. Now, with the undercarriage and grille fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the fender on each side. You'll feel the side clips disengage with a slight pop. Double-check to ensure all remaining clips and bolts are completely free before attempting to fully remove the bumper. It's a good idea to have a soft blanket or mat ready on the ground to place the bumper on once it's fully detached, preventing any scratches. To reinstall your front bumper, simply reverse the steps. Carefully align the bumper and reattach all clips and bolts, ensuring everything is snug and secure. Don't forget to reconnect any fog light wiring harnesses before fully securing the bumper. A final check of all connections will prevent future issues. And hey, for your next DIY project, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.